Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very traditional American cookie recipe for Snickerdoodles. If you've never heard of them before, they are like cinnamon sugar cookies with a little bit of a sour note to them. So hopefully that makes sense. But I recommend you try them as they're nice and soft and really lovely to eat. So this is the traditional version of the recipe. I have another like caramelized version up that my brother and I kind of made up one day. So this is the traditional version. So let's get started.
Very simple ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 3¼ cups or 400 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. If you don't know what that is, I have a video up on it. 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, and cinnamon and sugar to roll the dough in. Begin by creaming the butter. Add the sugar and cream together. Add eggs one at a time and cream to creamy. Add dry ingredients and combine to a dough. It will be rather thick. If it's dry, just keep beating until it comes together into a dough. Don't forget to scrape the bowl with a spatula. Roll the dough into balls about a generous tablespoon size and roll it into the cinnamon and sugar and place it on a lined baking sheet. Don't mind the tiny lumps in the cinnamon sugar. The sugar was a bit lumpy. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes or until the dough is no longer shiny. They should easily come off the baking paper on the baking sheet. Move them onto a counter to cool. These cookies are soft and slightly cake-like. They have a lot of flavor between the cream of tartar and cinnamon. Really lovely. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.